Hello friends, how are you? Are you happy today? Today we learn English. Do you like English? Okay, let's start our class. First letter F. Big letter F and small letter F. For example, F for fish and F for fan. Then next letter G. Big letter G and small letter G. G for grass, G for glass. Next letter H. Big letter H and small letter H. H for horse and H for home. Next letter is I. For example, I for inkpot and I for igloo. The last letter is J. For example, J for jam and J for juice. Today's class is over. We will see you in the next class. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Ta-ta.